Hello students, welcome to the part 2 video of VIT EEE 2024 Aptitude Practice Series. So today's video is going to be interesting just like the previous video regarding the data interpretation table set. So in today's video we are going to take up one set from the pie chart. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for the regular updates. So without making any delay, let's start our video. Let's take up this question from the pie chart. So here two pie charts have been provided. The following pie charts show the distribution of students of graduate and postgraduate levels in 7 different institutions in a town. So basically these are the 7 different institutions which have been shown here. So first pie chart denotes the distribution of students at graduate level and second one shows the postgraduate distribution. So here the total number of students at graduate level which is given as 27,300 and in next it is provided as 24,700 for postgraduate level. Now here we have been provided with the follow-up questions with respect to this data set. Now let's attempt these questions one by one. You can pause this video for a second and you can try the questions for yourself as well. So let's start with the first question. How many students of institutes of M&S are studying at graduate level? So we will look at this graduate level set and we will focus on M and S. So M consists of 17% and S consists of 14%. So one approach would be 17 plus 14 equals to 31% of 27,300. So that would be our answer. Or alternatively, we can solve them separately. 17% of 27,300 plus 14% of 27,300. So that would be our answer. So let's properly calculate it. So students of M at graduate level, as we have seen, 17% of 27,300 and 14% of 27,300 of institutes S at graduate level. So these are the separate value coming. We can add them up. So we will reach to this number. Or alternatively, we could have done 17% of 27,300 plus 14% of 27,300. This number have been come out as common and 17 plus 14 would have been added. So 31% of 27,300 would have given us the same value. So this denotes our answer B. Hopefully everyone has got it right. Now let's come to the second question. Total number of students studying at post-graduation level from institutes N and P. So this looks like a similar question. Earlier we talked about the graduate level. Now here we will going to talk about the postgraduate level. So N is provided as 15% and P is provided as 12%. So N and P, we will just sum it up to 27% of 24,700. So 27 by 100 into 24700. That would provide us our answer. Or alternatively 15% of 24,700 plus 12% of 24,700 will also give us our final answer. So this is how we have to do some of the calculation and here we would reach our final answer. So option C is 6669 which is given over here. So hopefully everyone has got right. This is similar to the previous one. So basically these questions are little bit calculation intensive. So here we have to make sure that we are really fast at our calculation. Basic addition, basic multiplication, this should be at our fingertips. Now before moving forward, if you want to boost your VIT EEE preparation, we have brought a brand new VIT EEE 2024 Warrior Batch for you. Here you get aptitude and English lectures, best short trick sessions. So basically VIT EEE exam is all about the short tricks, about the speed. So here if you learn as many short tricks as possible, definitely these are going to be really helpful in your actual VIT EEE preparation. So they will definitely help you in boosting your speed during the actual exam. Now besides this, you get exclusive question banks, short notes, mock test series as well as the live sessions. So these things you are getting all these things at just one place in VIT EEE 2024 Warrior Batch. Right now there is a limited time period. Coupon code is also there worth rupees 500 off. So please check the description box provided below for all the details. Plus procedure for enrollment has also been provided over there. Further, you can also check out our website 10qchallenge.in for complete course related details. So one salient feature of this course is the medium of instruction of this course is completely in English for the ease of understanding of everyone. Now coming back to our question. Now further the question is asking what is the number of graduate and postgraduate level students is institute are. So here we have to focus on R in both the sets. So R is 17% of 27,300 at graduate level and R is 14% of 24,700 at postgraduate level. Basically, it is asking us the sum total of these two. If we just look at this carefully, it is saying total number of graduate and postgraduate level of students in Institute R. So 17% of 27,300 and 14% of 24,700. So that would actually give us our final answer. Hopefully everyone has got right. Now moving to the next question. What is the ratio between the number of students studying at postgraduate and graduate levels respectively from institution S? So basically here it is not asking us the sum, but here it is asking us the ratio between the number of students studying at postgraduate level, postgraduate means this, and graduate levels from Institute S. So here what we have to do, you have to focus on Institute S at firstly at the postgraduate level for the numerator. So 21% into 24,700. So this will come in numerator, and then in denominator same as 14% into 27,300, which is at the graduate level. So here the required ratio would be 21% of 24,700, which we have discussed, upon 14% of 27,300, and this is written like this. This has been expanded in this form, and 19 by 14 is our final answer, which we can confirm it with the option D. So this is our final answer. So hopefully everyone has got it correct. Now moving on to the fifth and final question from this set. What is the ratio between the number of students studying at postgraduate level from institutions S and the number of students studying at graduate level from Institute Q? So there has been a slight twist in this question. If you have followed the previous question, then you would be able to solve this question, but this is bit tricky because here it is not the same institution have been asked at both the levels. The institutions are different. So basically here we have to consider postgraduate level. We will look at postgraduate level, and the institution is mentioned as S. So we will consider 21% of 24,700. Now when we look at the graduate level, so we will focus at Q. So 13% of 27,300, it will come in denominator. Now if we tally it with the solution part, it is given as same thing as we have discussed, and if we just expand it, calculate it, final value which we would get is 19 by 13, and which will match with our option D. So this would be our final answer. Hopefully everyone has got it correct. Hopefully this session was highly useful or for everyone who is aspiring for VIT EEE, and we are going to continuously come up with these similar practice sessions. So definitely subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefited with these kind of practice sessions. Now see you in upcoming videos with some new topics. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind.